Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you're well. In this video I'm going to share with you the Remini AI Avatar. So basically Lensa AI Avatar on trending and top of the chart on Apple App Store. That's why Remini also introduced AI Avatar. So let's check it out what type of results we can get. So we have need to choose 8 to 12 photos, like we have need to choose 10 to 20 in Lensa AI app. So after selecting the 8 photos, Remini import the photos and then we have need to wait for a few minutes. And also we have need to select the gender after import process done, as you can see here. So after you select the gender, so its processing started and it takes some time, like 8 to 10 minutes or sometime even less or sometime even more, like 12 or 15 minutes. So simply click here notify me that whenever your avatar is ready, Remini push the notification your avatar is ready. So I'm already created a lot of avatars, as you can see here. This is my little brother, and as you can see here the avatars are really high quality. So I'm waiting some time and speeding up this process to save your time. If you're new to my channel, so make sure to consider subscribe to appreciate my hard work and also get a lot of videos like this one. So here you can see the avatars ready now. I already used another apps called Dawn AI as well as the IMA and Lensa AI, but the output quality on Remini is truly fascinating, really good. As you can see here, the all avatars really good in my opinion. This is mind blowing, like AI done 50 photos within few minutes. So we have need to check a lot of photos later in this video. I'm going to share with you. Very humble request to new viewers, if you're new to my channel, make sure you consider subscribe and also follow my social media handles to get updates. So let's take a look at the AI avatars created by the Remini AI. So I used my little brother photos to create a lot of avatars, and also I put my photo between these. So let's take a look at which one find me. Please share the time code if you find. If you have any type of queries or question regarding this video, this app, so please let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. New to my channel, make sure you consider subscribe. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.